All right, 1-1 Edpuzzle. Taking these fractions and making them into decimals. So we can ignore the 2 for right now, and we're going to go ahead and put the 8 on the outside. The 1 goes in the center of the division house, and I'm going to add a couple of zeros. All right, so 8 goes into 1 0 times. Bring up the decimal point. 8 goes into 10 1 time. 1 times 8, 8. Subtract, bring down another 0. 8 goes into 20 2 times. Subtract, bring down a 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. No remainder. Question number 2, same thing. We're going to go ahead and ignore the negative 3. We'll take the 20, put it on the outside of the division house. The 9 with some zeros goes in the inside. 20 goes into 9 0 times. Bring up the decimal point. 20 goes into 90 4 times. 4 times 20 is 80. Bring down another 0. 20 goes into 100 5 times. Subtract. And now don't forget about the negative 3, because that does need to be in your final answer. Okay. All right, so we're going to go the opposite direction now. 0 and 7/10. You read it properly, you write it properly. 7/10, this is the decimal place. Similarly, if you read this properly, it's negative 0 and 92 hundredths. Notice that the 2 is in the hundredths place. So don't forget the negative. 92 over 100. And that's going to reduce down to negative 46 over 50. And it reduces down again to negative 23 over 25. Okay, so repeating numbers are a little bit different. They're read a little bit different, and they're written a little bit different. So 0 and 8/10 repeating. But I always pretend that this repeating bar is a subtraction symbol, because it's going to end up being 10 minus 1. So it's 8 over 9. A 9 for every repeating digit, and there's only one of them that repeats. Negative 2 and 3/10 is negative 2 and 3/9. 3/10 repeating. Again, a 9 for every repeating digit, but this one reduces down.